Howdy there, I'm the good old Will, and welcome to the good old DIY, and today I'm gonna make the Squid Game invitation card. So, for those who haven't seen Squid Game yet, please click off this video because I'm gonna be mentioning a whole lot of spoilers of the show, of course. So, basically, what it is basically, it's given to basically every character in the show, basically, and whenever they call that number, basically, they basically get invited to Squid Games. I'm going to be making my own, basically, and it's going to be very easy to do. You all can do this at home, of course, if you got the right materials. And I might as well give it a test to see if it works, of course. But before we get started with this DIY, please consider subscribing if you're all new to this channel. And if you're all new to this channel, welcome to the Good Old Will's YouTube channel, as always. I post a lot of gaming, I post a lot of other things, basically. I've basically been also live streaming as well. And not to mention, I've been basically doing, basically a whole lot of other stuff. But enough of me yapping like Alice from Left 4 Dead. Oh wait, one more thing. Feel free to follow me on my socials as always. The card is on screen right now. Thank you very much, partners and gals. So yeah, without me yapping so much like Alice from Left 4 Dead 2, let's begin. Good old Will editor, run that intro! All the materials are going to be listed in the description below. So, let's get to the materials. These are the good old materials you'll need. You'll need cardboard thin sheets, hot glue and hot glue sticks, a guillotine, and thin tip markers. The first step is to take your cardboard sheets and then put them in the guillotine and cut them into business card shaped rectangles. I did this twice because I want to basically make season 1 and season 2. This next step is optional, but I decided to hot glue my pieces together to make it much thicker and make it last for a long time. The next step, take your thin tip marker and draw on the design. On the back, draw the circle, triangle, and square. Next is the front of the card. Now, I don't know what this icon is. It looks like a house and stuff, and it's been... I don't know what it is. Y'all can tell me in the comments, but just draw that on, basically. And as you can see, I did my best to draw it. It's not the best looking, but hey, that's the TGW way of doing it. So... The next step, write down the phone number. The next card is going to be Season 2's card. As the same thing, draw basically the back, draw the shapes, and just to recap what it is, it's circle, triangle, and square. Draw the same house logo. And lastly, write down their new phone number. And there you have it, Squid Game invitation cards. This is the one from season 1, and this is the one from season 2, of course. And oh my gosh, these look beautiful and amazingly well made. I mean, look at this. It looks legit. Or is it? So, since I seen season 1's invitation card number, I might as well call this one. So let me grab out my phone, of course. And also, check out my new phone case, partners and gals. It's my dang good old logo. Maybe someday if I'm into a phone case making business, I might even make some more with y'all's initial on it or something. Mine's W, because obviously, but yeah, so I'm going to hold it up on the screen and let's call it up.
Thanks for calling this number, good old Will.
How did you know my name?
Oh, I've been watching you for a long time. But now since you've called this number, you're in.
But wait, this is an accident.
Too late.
Hello? Oh crap. I guess I should have known. Well, I guess I'm in Squid Game now. Dang it!